All right, so you got yourself a Steam Deck. Now you want to protect your investment. You want to make sure you get a screen protector, and we're going to set it up today and see how it works. They do give you a couple cleaning cloths and actual a sticker to remove any particles too, and then the actual this is like a credit card pretty much, but it's like a squeegee to actually blow anything, any bubbles out of there too. All right, instructions, and then they give you the actual glass itself along with the actual template. And they give you two glass. So in case you ever have to replace it or you mess up on the first one, it's very simple. Now the template, you guys can see it. It goes one way. These two are for the actual controller modules here. You set it up in here, but prior to this, you just make sure you clean it up. All right. So we are going to do step 1 and 2 and 3. All right, we got a cleaning cloth too, and we got all 3 of them here. So we're going to go ahead and remove. This was the actual alcohol wipe that you have. All right, you get first. My Steam Deck's already clean, but we're just going to clean it up some more, just make sure. And it's a little couple inches tall, and if you can see, I dropped it, so it's going to get some particles in there, and then I'm touching it too. So just make sure you clean it up completely out. Any particles, if you can see visualization, just remove them. And try not to scratch it or don't do it too much, just enough where you feel it's complete, right? So we're going to do that. Number 2, we're going to pass this, right? Little napkin, very simple to dry it out. We're going to go ahead and do the actual sticker part of it, right? I like this. This is a plus that I like. Once we got everything removed, we got it nice and clean. Let's see this just in case we get one more. The glass guide, all right? That's pretty much it. It is. Got it there. Click it there. Make sure it's in there properly. Once you set that up, all you got to do is get the glass itself, right? And there is 2 parts to it, right? You just got to drop it in there. That's pretty much it. So once you remove it, just make sure that there is no particles. And if you do get a particle, remove it. It's like it's all clean. So let's go ahead and put this in here. And then we just set up the actual system itself. And of course, the guide's already set up. So you can just hit one corner here, drop it in slowly. That's it. Then we run the actual system wipey. Make sure that it's in there. That's it. All right, very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.